bagong patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikat ng mabuti ka na kuminhala tayo. Bawat lumalaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas bagong Pilipino, bagong Pilipinas.
It's a real privilege to have with us today someone whose dedication to public safety has been not only impressive but truly inspiring. Hailing from Kawayan, Cotabato, she's a proud graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy in 2020, where she earned a degree in Bachelor of Science in Public Safety, equipping her with the knowledge and skills to make a real difference in the field of fire safety. She began her fire service career on May 22, 2020, and not long after was entrusted with the role of Municipal Fire Marshal at Alubili Fire Station. Her commitment to public safety and leadership didn't stop there. Today, she served as the Deputy District Fire Marshal of the Cagayan de Oro Fire District, continuing to serve and protect her community with unwavering dedication. Her journey is a testament to hard work, passion, and resilience in the face of challenges. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Senior Inspector Joyce Q. Talins, ma'am.
To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Traducer, to our ARDA, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, to our ARDO, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villaferte, sir, to our RCS, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie Fabri, sir, other commissioned officers, non-commissioned officers, good morning. As a lady firefighter, I want to focus my speech on the role of the female in today's age. Today is April 7, 2025 and the first Monday of April. As we raise our flag today, we come together to celebrate the extraordinary strength of a woman. Strength that has been built over generations through trials, triumphs, and unwavering dedication. Today is a time to reflect on how far we've come, but also to recognize the journey that still lies ahead. Let me define the word woman according to Oxford Dictionary. It is an adult female human being. Female member of a workplace associated with a particular group or occupation. Woman, it is a very simple word, but a lot of significance. It is described as powerful, loving, compassionate, driven, and selfless person. The strength of a woman is not just physical. It is emotional, mental, and spiritual. It is the strength that empowers them to lead, to inspire, and to fight for what is right. It is seen in mothers, in daughters, leaders, warriors, and educators, and countless other roles that women feel embrace every single day. Every woman has a story, a struggle, and a triumph that is worthy of recognition. Today, we honor every woman everywhere, those who shape history and those who continue to make a difference in their communities. Let us recognize that the strength of the woman is not just something to admire, but something to celebrate every day. To all the women here and around the world, thank you for your courage, your dedication, and your unbreakable spirit. May we continue to support and empower one another as we forge ahead in creating a future where every woman's strength is acknowledged and celebrated. Before I end, let me leave to you my acronym of a woman. WOAMAN. W for warm mother, O for optimistic friend, M for matchless daughter, A for amazing sister, and N for nicest gift to men from God. Once again, good morning and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Citation read. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumamela Extension, Carmen Cagayan de Oro City. Regional Medalya ng Papuri pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program on Awards and Institute for Service Excellence. This Medalya ng Papuri is hereby referred to Fire Senior Inspector Joyce Q. Talinas, Deputy District Fire Marshal of the BFP Region 10, for her insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Truth, Information, and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on April 7, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the successful achievement of the Bureau of Fire mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation given this 7th day of April 2025 at the office of the Regional Director, BFP 10 Gumamela Extension, Carmen Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. May we call on any announcements from the Fire Division section? And now let us hear a message from our Regional Director.
Thank you. To our very own Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent, William C. Pedrosia. University Command Group, Commission Officers, and non-Commission Officers, my buntag. Gamay lang reminders considering that we are already in the month of April, and as I said in the previous months that we should continue what we have started regarding the celebrations of birthday celebrants, no, every month. Because as I know, only the January and February, because all the celebrators of the month of March, they really wanted to have a separate celebration. So April naman, basta nakalimot sila, no? Gamay lang ni siya nung kuan because although this is an unwritten tradition, but this is one way of having a bond with our panangbilo workers din sa tuwang regional office, no? Kay daghan ra ba mi sa April nya basig masakol, no? Nagpanikat na daan sila sa Roman si April katubig lalo kay April, no? So gamay lang mga kuan kung ano sa inyo ang plano. If you really wanted to post ninyo ang inyong plan na mag-separate, although April na, because amo ang kuan po sa April, mga celebrator sa April, plano na po may what date nga medyo kanang naatatanan. Then another thing is the upcoming kanang activities with regards sa observance of Lenten season. So ay ito nakakatay part siguro na sa meeting karon because our ate all wanted i-stop meeting. So part sa amang i-discuss is the correlation of Lenten province para makamonitor sa mga activities na to and as with the Lenten season. So that's all and good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. That concludes our traditional Mandi flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Fire Officer 1, Rodel B. Umba. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.